Hey everyone, welcome to the last kind of lesson in this series. There are going to be a couple more lessons that I've created in the past that show you some other techniques in how you reveal text in different ways. But for this, all I'm going to do is add wiggle to this text. There's different ways to do it. You can add different cameras and all that kind of stuff, but an easy way is just to add the wiggle preset to our scenes. So type in wiggle in your effects and presets window. If you don't see that, go to window, effects and presets, and take this position animation, or you can even do gelatin. And what gelatin does, it makes it super funky, but I'm just gonna do position, drag it to our first scene, and just play through it to see how you like it. So I'm just gonna play through it. It's a little slow for me, and it moves kind of far. So what I'm gonna do up here in my effects controls panel is change the wiggle speed to 1.5 wiggles per second and the wiggle amount from 50 to 25. So it's a little bit faster, and I think it just looks better that way. Then I'm going to take this wiggle and this transform property up here, select both, and copy them, and then just select my other layers, Scene 2, Scene 3, and Scene 4, and paste it. So now if I play through it, so it's pretty cool. The only problem I'm noticing right now, though, is that the actual gray background in this now has this wiggle to it, and it kind of, you can see the edge, and I don't like that. So I'm going to delete this wiggle from there. I'm going to go into this text. I'll select all of my text layers and add wiggle. And that is actually pretty cool because it adds it individually to the different layers, so it's not all happening at one time. And so now if I go to my full comp and render it out, I actually really like that. Now, it might not work for all of you. Sometimes you might want all the text in one scene to move similarly, so it kind of looks like a camera shake. That's what this effect is going for. But for me, I kind of like that effect. So you can apply the wiggle to individual text layers or entire scenes. And the only thing that didn't make this work is because the background, this gray background, I didn't want the wiggle to be affecting that gray background in that one scene. So anyways, that's how you quickly add wiggle to your text layers and your motion graphics to add sort of a camera motion type look. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.